name is Boateng. Today we are going to look at Akristofoɔ Adɔɔso by Hanna Marfo. Just the introduction and some little solo in the song. That's what we are going to do. So let's begin. All right. Akristofoɔ Adɔɔso is C sharp by Hanna Marfo. So let's look at the introduction. At C sharp you have do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do. So the introduction is like this, dragging from so to la, okay? And you can choose to do it like this, or you can choose to do a push up, okay? Then okay, la, so, la, fa, mi, re. So it's like this, so, la, so, la, fa, mi, re. Then you drag from re to mi, re, mi, mi, so, okay, something like that. Okay, yes, this is view. But Paul, you made this request, so let's start. And then that part, do, re, mi, okay, do, re, mi, fa, so, la, do, re, mi, re, do, re, do, la, do. That part again. Again. Do, re, mi, fa, so, la, do, re, mi, re, do, re, do, la, do. That's the intro. That's the intro. So let me put them together. It's like this. Then you come here. You come to do here. Very close. You come to this side. Do, mi, re, mi. Then again. Do, mi, re, mi. Then you play the do and then the mi. Do, mi, fa, so. Okay, mi, fa, so. Okay, mi, fa, so. Re, mi, re. Do, mi, re, do, mi, re. Then the ending comes here like this. Very slow. I'm putting them together. that's all about the introduction. So let's try and play along the song. Let's see. Simple as ABC. So my brother, I would want you to take your time and practice this. Okay, let's forward a bit and look at the introduction, the solo inside. Listen to the solo. We are playing the solo. Let's go. So that's all about the solo. So let's look at the solo. It's very simple, like I did earlier on. Do re mi fa so la ti do. So from here, do ti la so fa mi re do. So the solo started. So mi re do la. Okay, so mi re do la. Then like this. Follow me. Look at my finger. So mi re mi so la so. Again. So mi re mi so la so. Then he dragged from re to mi. From re to mi, then mi so mi do mi do re mi. Okay, so we are here. Then he came here. So fa mi re do do mi fa so re mi fa re mi. Then mi do. Then you are done. You are done. It's very simple. Yeah, it's very simple. Okay, so let me put them together. The soloing, let me put them together. That's the soloing inside the song. So on this note, I'll end here with this lesson. Try and listen very carefully. Open your ears and listen, and you see what I am talking about. We'll meet next time.